Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Y'all know what time it is. Today we are going to be drop testing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in the Dbrand grip case. No, Dbrand did not ask me to do this drop test. You already know this is just something that I do on the channel when it comes to cases that I know are going to protect your device. I don't just tell you, but I show you. So we're gonna do a few drop tests here and see if it's gonna protect the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And just to show you guys, no, this is not a dummy unit. Yes, this is a working device. We don't use dummy units here on the channel, and I am using a tempered glass screen protector as well. Just so you know, this tempered glass screen protector is not as durable as the actual screen itself. So if this case is going to protect this tempered glass screen protector as well, then we really know it's doing its job. But I always say, hey, it's best to have the maximum protection possible. So why not get a case and a screen protector? But we'll start off with, something light, just a little light, maybe, 3-foot drop test or something like this. We'll throw it around, maybe about shoulder height. What is? Ooh, okay, maybe a little bit higher than me. I'm about 5'10", so what, this is about 6 feet right here, maybe? Woo! And then I can just, I don't know, throw it around. We'll even do the famous in the basketball hoop. And if I make this shot, y'all better make sure to hit that subscribe button right now if you're not subscribed yet. But wait till I make it. Let me make it. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That landed pretty hard. Now the S Pen does happen to come out if you do accidentally drop it. It doesn't happen all the time, but this is just something that happens with all past Note devices and new Galaxy Ultra devices. I guess you would say that S Pen does come out. You just pop it back in and it's good to go. But so far it's looking pretty good. As you can see, there are no cracks, no scratches on that display. I mean, everything is working good, functioning properly. The camera lenses in the back are looking good as well. And I don't know, what else can we do? Maybe you're talking on the phone and you accidentally, I don't know, something scares you, and you accidentally drop your device, or maybe, okay, still look good. Maybe you're trying to put it in your pocket and, oh, you miss your pocket, falls on the ground, or maybe I'm trying to put it in my hoodie pocket, it falls on the ground. I've already dropped this so many times and still looking good. And let's just try one more, okay? Ready, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, so that I'm having a little too much fun here, but again, we'll do a quick little wipe down here because I got fingerprints all over it. But as you can see, everything is looking good up there in the front. No cracks, no scratches. Looking in the back, the camera lenses are looking good. And what about the phone itself? Oh, I'm actually using a Dbrand skin in the back to protect from scratches. But looking at all the way around, everything is looking good, sides, and we will go inside and take a closer look at the device itself, of course, with the case as well. But I mean, as you see from all the drops that I did, so I mean, I can throw the phone at the wall if I want to, and it's still gonna come out fine. As you can see, no cracks, no scratches on that display. That is just my fingerprints. I can wipe it down again really quick. As you can tell, I'm having a little too much fun here. But as you can see, the Dbrand grip case is going to protect your Galaxy S24 Ultra. There's no doubt about that. Now, don't go chucking your phone in rocks or anything like that, because I can't guarantee if if you're going to chuck your phone in a pile of rocks, because any big rock can easily, and that's with any case, any big rock can easily hit that display. This is on a hard concrete surface though, so there you have it, a little drop test. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Dbrand grip case. Go ahead and head back into the office and let's take a closer look at this. All right, so we've made our way back in, as you can see here, and I want to take this quick moment to give a big thanks and shout out to Dbrand for sponsoring this video. The reason I'm mentioning it now instead of at the beginning of this video is because, like I said earlier, that drop test was all on me. Dbrand did not ask me to do that drop test, but from here on out, again, huge thanks to Dbrand for sponsoring this video. And again, we are taking a look at the grip case right here, along with some skins. As you can see here, I got skins for the case itself, and I got skins for the smartphone itself as well. As you can see, I have their X-ray skin in the light mode here on the phone itself, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and then I got the dark model here on the grip case. The X-ray skin, this is one of their newest skins and something I actually really like because it makes it look like you can see inside of your phone. But before we take a look at the case, let's take another quick look at the phone itself. Make sure the lenses are good. As you can see, there's no cracks, no scratches. Looking along the sides of the device, everything's looking good. The bottom, everything's looking good. The left side, the top, everything is looking good. Then when it comes to that front display, all you can see are my fingerprints and everything is looking good. So as you can see, no cracks, no scratches, no damages were done. I mean, we can test out the cameras really quick if you'd like as well. We got that ultra wide angle lens looking good. We got the main lens, 3 times telephoto, 5 times telephoto. We can zoom in 10 times, zoom in 100 times, and everything is good. Obviously, this is too close for a 100 times zoom, but as you can see, the cameras are working perfectly fine. So before we put the case on the Galaxy S24 Ultra right here, let's take a closer look at the case. So as you can see, this is a hard shell case. Now this case is going to provide some amazing grip all the way around the edges, the top, the bottom, both sides. You're getting a nice grip all the way around. And that's one of the things that I love about this case. For those of you that don't know, the Dbrand grip case has been one of my favorite cases since I started using them, since I can remember. And I have been using their grip cases for quite a while now on my devices. And as you can see, we got some added texture here to the bottom of the case to just give some added grip. But let's go ahead and throw it, before we throw it on, as you can see, this is also MagSafe compatible. And we also have some nice material on the inside, nice and soft, to keep your device from scratching up, just in case you don't have a skin on your actual device itself. But let's go ahead and pop the Galaxy S24 Ultra in here. As you can hear there, snaps on really, really good. It has a nice, tight, secure fit. I mean, I can, push the edges out. You can hear it's got a nice snap. Even on the bottom, the bottom feels even a bit tighter. So when you take this case off, you're gonna wanna take it off through the top, because while it is a tight fit, it's not as tight as the bottom. So it's meant to be taken off from the top. But let's take a look at the cameras in the back. As you can see, we get a nice deep enough cutout there to where if you do accidentally drop it down on a flat surface or maybe slide it around, those cameras should not touch that flat surface, and it's giving it just enough lift to where they won't get all scratched up or even cracked. Then going to the front, so you can see we got some lift on the bottom, some lift on the top, same thing. As you saw from my drop test, if you happen to drop it flat down on a flat surface on the display like this, or even just set it down on a desk, slide it around, it should give it enough lift to where it is not going to scratch up that, front display. So it's giving it just enough lift to where it doesn't touch that flat surface. Then going to the top of the case, you can see we got precise cutouts for those microphones. Going over to the right, of course, we have the buttons here. Now we do have some texture for the volume rockers, and it is more of a smooth feel for the power button to help you differentiate, which is which. And as you can see, power button works good. It's nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Same thing with the volume rockers, nice and responsive. Going over to the left, nothing to the left except more grip and that texture. Then going down to the bottom, of course, we do have a precise cutout for the USB Type-C charging port, along with the microphone, speaker, and the S Pen, which is easily accessible, as you can see there. Now to show you guys real quick, as you saw, yes, this is a MagSafe compatible case, which also means that yes, it is also wireless charging compatible as well. So you won't have any troubles there wirelessly charging your Galaxy S24 Ultra, or reverse wireless charging as well. But overall, I mean, the Dbrand grip case is definitely a major go, as Flossie Carter would say. I mean, it's definitely going to give that Galaxy S24 Ultra the protection that you need, but not only the protection you need, it also gives you some style by being able to switch up the skin whenever you want. So say, eventually you get tired of the dark X-ray skin, maybe you want the light one, or maybe you want, some leather, either brown or black, or maybe you want their black camo skin, or even their triple black skin right here, which is one that I really like as well. I'll probably be throwing this one on in a few days here. But they got tons more to choose from on their website as well. So yeah, the Dbrand grip case. And like I said, if you are not a case person, but you still want to at least protect your device maybe from scratches and just add some style to your device itself, well, look at, you got skins for your Galaxy S24 Ultra itself as well, if you do not want to throw a case on. Either way, they got tons to choose from on their website. I'll drop a link down in the description below and in the pinned comment as well. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the overall drop test and just the grip case itself? Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.